Have you ever just been like going through your fridge and trying to clean it out, make more room for other food, and you find a random potato? Like, where has this been hiding? Seriously. My fridge is so full right now that it's in desperate need of being cleaned out. So I got to make something with this potato because I don't want to chuck it. It's just totally food waste. But I've decided that I'm going to make something very different. And it's not mashed potatoes, it's not baked potatoes. It's really nothing that anybody would think of making with it. So stay tuned. So I just scrubbed this potato. Just gonna peel it. Try to make your peelings pretty thin. There goes my oven. Now this is not what you're thinking. Yes, I'm peeling a potato, but I'm making something different. I'm trying to make the peels not as long as the whole length of the potato. I guess this one is. This is a great way to get the nutrients out of the peels, because usually I just throw them away, but I thought about this the other day. Put my potato aside for now, and really I love my salty snacks at night. So I've decided to do this, and it's kind of the healthy version of the salty snack. And I'm just going to lay them on a tinfoil lined pan. Okay. I'm going to lay them in here single layer. I don't think it matters if it's skin side down or potato side down. But I think you should lay them single layer. That way they'll all get baked. Nice and crispy, a little bit of everything but the bagel seasoning on them. And then pop them in the oven for at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. Now for the rest of the potato, I'm just going to cut it up into fries because I love fries. And every time I'm in a restaurant, I want to order fries, but I don't because they're not very healthy and I am trying to watch what I eat. So I end up with a salad. I know some people like salads. I do sometimes, but they can become quite boring after a while. So I'll put these on the same sheet when my potato crisps are done. And we'll bake them in the oven with some seasoning salt. I'm not a professional, so everything's going to be not perfect, but that's okay. I'm going to be adding this seasoning salt once I put them on the pan. Amazing this turned out. Just going to scoop them on my plate. Oh, nice. right, let's have a taste. They smell good. Man, these are so good, and it's like kind of guilt-free salty snacks. They're really good with this everything but bagel seasoning. It's a great idea. Okay. Put that aside, eat those later. Now I'm going to put some fries on the same pan, cover them with some seasoning salt, and stick them in the oven as well. And there goes my potato. Okay, so I'll toss all these potato pieces into the bowl, a little bit of olive oil. Stir them up a bit. These are going to take a little bit longer to cook because they are thicker. That's okay. Get my oven mitt because I'm sure this pan is still very hot. Put them all in the pan, single layer. I'm sure you guys know how to make fries, but I'm just showing you what you can do with a random potato that you found in your fridge or your pantry, whichever. Oh, one-handed. Uh-oh. Don't like getting my spice things all messed up with grease. So I'm just putting some seasoning salt on my potatoes. And I'll stick them in the oven. By the way, the potato crisps took me 20 minutes at 400 degrees. So I'll stick these in the oven, and that's about it.